How can I control InDesign EPUB, rendering 4 different readers? Imagine creating a digital book that looks perfect on every device and in every app. That's what controlling EPUB rendering is all about. When you export an EPUB from Adobe InDesign, it's not just about making a file. It's about making sure it displays well everywhere. Different EPUB readers interpret files differently, so your goal is to make your content as compatible as possible. Start by choosing the right EPUB format. InDesign offers 2 main options: reflowable and fixed layout. Reflowable EPUBs are flexible and adapt to different screen sizes, making them great for text-heavy books. Fixed layout EPUBs keep the exact design and placement of images and text, which is perfect for graphic-rich content like comics or magazines. Picking the right format depends on what you want your readers to experience. Next, you can control how individual objects export by using object export options. This allows you to decide if images and text frames stay as they are or are converted into images. Rasterizing objects turns them into images, keeping their appearance consistent but losing the ability to resize or select text. If you want your text to stay selectable and scalable, avoid rasterizing unless necessary. Managing images is also important. InDesign lets you set global image export preferences, which apply to all images unless you override them. This helps keep your file size manageable and your images looking good across devices. For example, JPEGs are great for photographs, while PNGs work well for images with transparency. You can also assign export tags to styles and objects. This controls how your content is split into XHTML files inside the EPUB. Proper tagging improves navigation and makes your EPUB more accessible. For instance, mapping headings to specific HTML tags helps screen readers and improves user experience. When exporting, you need to select the EPUB version. EPUB 2.0.1 is widely supported, but EPUB 3.0 offers more features like multimedia and interactivity. Keep in mind that not all readers support EPUB 3, so test your files accordingly. Also, set up your table of contents based on paragraph styles to make navigation easy for your readers. Since EPUB rendering varies a lot between readers like Adobe Digital Editions, Apple Books, or Kindle apps, testing your EPUB on multiple devices is essential. Some apps might ignore certain CSS styles or handle fixed layouts differently. By testing early and often, you can spot issues and adjust your InDesign export settings to fix them. If needed, you can unzip your EPUB file and manually edit the CSS or HTML files inside. This gives you more control over how styles and layouts appear, especially if you want to fix specific issues that InDesign's export doesn't handle well. For practical tips, use reflowable EPUB for text-based books to ensure maximum compatibility and accessibility. Use fixed layout EPUB for detailed designs where layout preservation matters most. Limit rasterization to objects that cannot be reliably rendered otherwise, so your text remains selectable and accessible. Map your styles to semantic HTML tags to improve navigation and screen reader support. Always test your EPUB on different readers and devices to see how it looks and functions. By mastering these export options and understanding how different EPUB readers interpret files, you can control how your EPUB appears across platforms. This helps you deliver a consistent reading experience while keeping your design intact. With a little practice, you'll be able to create EPUB files that look great and work well everywhere, making your digital publishing projects truly shine.